is me, Mahima. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my new video. Today's tutorial is this beautiful spiral braid hairstyle. So let's start the video. Move all the hair in one side. Split it into two. Take one strand of your hair and join it to the left side. Take another strand of your left side and join it to right side. Repeat this until you reach your last strand. Tie the last part of your hair with headband. Then pull out some hair so that it will look fuller and bigger. That's it. If you enjoy this tutorial, then give us a thumbs up. Bye. Thank you for watching.